The 2026 BMW Z4 continues to represent the brand's vision of a modern luxury roadster, blending sporty performance with premium comfort and advanced technology. Designed as a two-seat convertible, the Z4 remains focused on delivering an engaging driving experience while still being refined enough for everyday use. Its classic roadster proportions are instantly recognizable, with a long hood, wide stance, and short rear deck that emphasize rear-wheel drive balance and dynamic intent. Subtle design refinements for 2026 give it a sharper, more contemporary presence while preserving the timeless appeal that has defined the Z4 for years. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Z4 offers a range of turbocharged engines that cater to different driving preferences. The S-Drive30 variant features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers smooth, responsive power and impressive efficiency, making it ideal for drivers who want a balance between performance and practicality. For enthusiasts seeking stronger acceleration and a more emotional driving character, the M40 model comes equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine that produces significantly more power and torque. This engine transforms the Z4 into a serious performance machine capable of rapid acceleration and thrilling highway pulls. Both variants are tuned to deliver precise handling, confident cornering, and the classic rear-wheel drive feel that BMW is known for. The driving experience is further enhanced by refined suspension tuning, responsive steering, and a well-balanced chassis that makes the Z4 feel agile and composed on winding roads. BMW has focused on maintaining a connection between the driver and the road, ensuring that the Z4 remains engaging whether driven calmly or pushed hard. Adaptive suspension options allow drivers to switch between comfort-oriented cruising and more aggressive, sport-focused dynamics, making the car versatile in a variety of driving situations. Inside, the 2026 BMW Z4 offers a driver-focused cabin that combines modern design with high-quality materials. Premium upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and metallic accents create a refined atmosphere, while supportive seats ensure comfort during both short trips and long drives. The infotainment system features a large digital display with intuitive controls, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and customizable vehicle settings. Advanced connectivity features and a premium sound system further enhance the in-cabin experience, especially when driving with the top down. Safety and driver assistance technologies have also been updated to meet modern expectations. Features such as collision warning systems, parking assistance, and optional adaptive cruise control help add confidence without detracting from the car's sporty nature. These systems are designed to support the driver rather than replace the joy of driving, maintaining the Z4's identity as a true enthusiast car. Overall, the 2026 BMW Z4 stands as a refined and emotionally engaging roadster that celebrates open-top driving in a world increasingly dominated by SUVs and electrification. With its combination of strong performance, elegant design, modern technology, and classic rear-wheel drive dynamics, the Z4 remains a compelling choice for drivers who value style, precision, and the pure pleasure of driving.